In this, we will understand about some problems related to ages, part of quantitative aptitude. First one, the sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. So here they gave us some of those 5 children. So let us consider that as S suffix 5. Sum of 5 children is given as 50. Further, they say that they born at the equal interval of 3 years, which means the ages follows an arithmetic progression. So I will write that ages follow an arithmetic progression, which means we can use very well SN formula of arithmetic progression, which is sum of the first n terms, and that will be n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So here we have been given value of sum as well as the value of number of children. Means S5 is given. If it is given, then we can rewrite it this as 5 by 2 times 2a plus 5 minus 1 times d. D is also given because equal intervals, which means the common difference is 3. D value is 3, N value is 5. Yeah, these two are known. So now S5 is known to be 50. 50 is equal to 5 by 2 times 2A plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Now cross multiplying, we will have 50 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 is equal to 2A plus 12. So this goes with this 10 times, which means we get 20 and bring that 12 to left hand side. It will become negative 2a. And that means 20 minus 12 is 8, which means our a is 4. Means the youngest child's age is 4. I will say this is 4 years. This is the youngest child's age. Let us move on to the next question. Here, father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present, at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 now, then what was the son's age 5 years back? Here, they gave us father's age, or I will say father's present age is given as 38. Let the son's present age equal to x. Now, the statement given by father, what he says, I was as old as you are at the present. Son's present age is x. And that is equal to, I was as old as you, which means at the time of your birth, at the time of your birth, at the time of son's birth, father's age would have been 38 minus x. So this x will be equal to 38 minus x, which means we have 2x equal to 38 or x is equal to 19. What is the question? What was the son's age 5 years back? 5 years back, son's age will be current son's age is 19 minus 5, it will be 14. So that is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. The present ages of Samir and Anand are in the ratio 5:4 respectively. So we can say since it is given in the form of a ratio, their ages, we can always consider let the present ages of Samir and Anand be 5x, comma 4x. Now they say 3 years hence, means after 3 years, the ratio will become 11:9. So given 5x by 4x, which is the current ratio, 3 years hence, it will become this plus 3, this plus 3. And that ratio become 11/9. Now by cross multiplying, we will get 9 times 5x plus 3 is equal to 11 times 4x plus 3. 9 into 5, 45x plus 27. This is 44x plus 33. Further, we can bring that 44x to the left-hand side. It will become 45x minus 44x. 33, take this 27 to the right-hand side. It becomes 6, which means x is 6. So we can find out Samir's as well as Anand's current age. Samir's present age, Anand's present age. Samir's present age, we consider it as 5x. So 5 into 6, it is 30 years. 4 into 6, it is 24 years. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next. 6 years ago, the ratio of ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5. 4 years hence, the ratio of the ages will be 11:10. What is Sagar's age at present? Let us create a small table. Kunal, Sagar. Here we will say present age. We'll consider Kunal's present age as X, Sagar's present age as Y. Then they talk about two different time period. One is 6 years ago. 6 years ago, Kunal's age would have been X minus 6. This fellow's will be Y minus 6. Then 4 years hence, Kunal's age will be X plus 4. Sagar's age will be 4 plus Y plus 4. Now what they say, 6 years ago, the ratio is 6:5. So means given X minus 6 by Y minus 6 is given as 6:5. So 6 by 5. Cross multiplying, we will have 5x minus 30, means this one. 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 6, 30 is equal to 6 into y minus 36. Now, this can be rewritten as 5x minus 6y equal to minus 36 plus 30, which means 5x minus 6y is -6. Keep it as equation 1. Then they say 4 years, hence the ratio of the ages. So this ratio will be 11:10. So given x plus 4 by y plus 4 is 11:10. 11 by 10. Again, cross multiplying, we get 10 into x, 4 into 10 is equal to 11 into y, 4 into 11. So further simplifying this, we get 10x minus 11y is equal to 44 minus 40, which is 4. Consider this as equation 2. Now we may notice here 5x is there, here 10x is there, which means I can multiply the first equation by 2 to make it 10x. So first equation multiplied by 2, we get 10x minus 12y is equal to minus 12. Consider this as third equation. Now, let us subtract second equation minus third equation. 10x gets cancelled. Minus 11y minus of minus 12y is equal to 4 minus of minus 12. That means minus of minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 12y minus 11y is y. Here it is 4 minus or minus 4 plus 12. It becomes 16. So y value is 16. Now let us use the first equation to find out x value. First equation is 5x minus 6 times y, 6 times 16 is equal to minus 6. That means 5x minus 16, 6 are 96 equal to minus 6, or 5x is equal to 96 minus 6, which is 90. So that means x is 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 40 means 18. So this is 16 years, this is 18 years. Now x is what? X is Kunal's present age, which is 18 years, and Sagar's present age is 16 years. So that will be the solution for this particular problem. Let us move on to the next. The present ages of 3 persons are in the proportion 4:7:9. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. Find their present ages. Present ages already given in the form of a proportion. We can assume let the present ages be 4x, 7x, 9x. Given 8 years ago, first person's age would have been 4x minus 8. Second person's age would have been 7x minus 8. Third person's age would have been 9x minus 8. 8 years ago, the sum. So I will add. This is given as 56. Now, 4x plus 7x is 11x. 11x plus 9x is 20x. Minus 8 is minus 16. Again, minus 8, it is minus 24 is equal to 56. Or 20x equal to 56 plus 24, which means 20x is 80. That means x is 40. I'm sorry, x is 4. Therefore, the present ages are 4 into 4. So 16, 7 into 4, 28, 9 into 4, 36. So this is the solution for this particular problem. Let us move on to the next. Yeah. A person's present age is 2/3 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? So let me make a small table. Person's mother. First one, we'll consider present age for the person as X. Or let me do one thing. Let me consider his mother's age as X. Further, what it says, a person's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. If I'm considering person's mother's present age as X, then his age will be 2/5 of X. Okay. After 8 years, after 8 years, it will become 2x by 5 plus 8. Here it is x plus 8. Okay, now what is given? After 8 years, he will be, means the person will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. So given person's age after 8 years is 1/2 of his age of his mother. So 1/2 times x plus 8. Now we can cross multiply 2. So 2 times 2x by 5 plus 8 equal to x plus 8. That is 4x by 5 plus 16 is equal to x plus 8. So bring that 8 to the left hand side. So 16 minus 8 is equal to x minus 4x by 5. In right hand side, x is common. We can rewrite it as 1 minus of 4 by 5, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So x into 1 by 5 is x by 5. Means we have now 8 equal to x by 5, or x is 40. Means the person's mother's age is 40. Person's mother's age. Then person's age. This is mother's present age. So here also present age will be 2/5 of x. So 2 by 5 times x, that is 40. So this goes with this, you get 16 years. So person's present age is 16 years. Person's mother's present age is 40 years. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next. Yeah, here it says, the age of the father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son 10 years hence. So 2 time periods. Let us do a table. Father, son. Consider present age. Consider father's present age as x, son as y. 2 time periods. One is 10 years ago. One is 10 years hence. Ten years ago, father's age would have been x minus 10. This is y minus 10. 10 years hence, it is x plus 10. This is y plus 10. Now, what is given? Age of the father 10 years ago means given x minus 10 is what? Thrice the age of his son. So 3 times y minus 10. So that can be simplified as x minus 10 is 3y minus 30. Further, x minus 3y is 10 minus 30. Further, x minus 3y is equal to negative 20. Consider this as equation 1. Then what is given? 10 years hence the father's age. So given 10 years hence the father's age is x plus 10. Is what? Will be twice that of his son. Will be 2 times y plus 10. That is x plus 10 is 2y plus 20. Further, x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 means x minus 2y equal to 10. Consider this as equation 2. Now let us subtract 1 and 2. If we do that, this x and x gets cancelled. Then we have minus 3y minus of minus 2y is equal to minus 20 minus 10. So this becomes minus 3y plus 2y is equal to minus 30. That means minus y is minus 30 or y is 30. Now that we got y, we can find out x. Let us use any of the equation. Let us use the second equation. x minus 2 times 30 equal to 10, x minus 60 equal to 10, which means x is 60 plus 10, 70. Now, what is the question? The ratio of their present ages means father's age first and then son's age. So, ratio of their present ages is x by y, which is 70 by 30 or 7 by 3, which can be written as 7:3. So that is the solution for this particular question.